Hello everyone. This is a brief tutorial over how to access Cisco WebEx meetings. Well, when you log into the Canvas page for your particular class, you'll notice over here on the sidebars are different rooms or different tabs that you can go to. Scroll down here to where it says Cisco WebEx. Click on that. And then at the top of the page, you'll see collaboration, you'll see virtual meetings, and then you'll see office hours. See if I'm looking at the right one here. I have this on virtual meetings. When I schedule a WebEx, you should receive a notice in your email or in your Canvas announcements announcing a meeting, and then you'll see the meetings posted here. On mine, over here it says host. On yours it will say join. So when it's time to join the meeting or start the meeting, you simply click on join, and then you're going to be in the room with the rest of us. When you're joining a meeting, please make sure that you have your camera on and your microphone is working correctly. When somebody else is talking, it is beneficial if you turn your microphone on mute so that we don't have any background noise, and then when you want to speak, then turn your microphone on. You'll also notice in this section here, I think I'm clicking on the right one. No, I'm not. Let's go back to this one again. You should see something that says, where is it? Pause here for a second. The other thing you'll notice here, next to virtual meetings, you'll notice office hours. If you click on office hours, you'll see highlighted periods when I am available for office hours. So if you want to schedule an appointment with me using WebEx, you can do that simply by clicking on one of these. I will receive a notice and I'll put it on my calendar, and that way I can meet with you at that time. If there are any other questions, please feel free to contact me. The fastest way right now is either by text message or by phone, and that's the easiest way to get a response, but then we can also use this avenue as well. All right, thank you everybody. Take care. We'll see you later.